Hello and welcome YouTube. Today we gonna do unboxing for Mavic Mini DJI Mini, a combo box. So DJI Mavic Mini combo, it's very much ultralight drone and support 2.7K camera, 3-axis gimbal, GPS with 30 minutes flight time, and it's ultralight weight. It's about 249 grams. So let's see and do unboxing for Mavic Mini. All right, it's a combo box, and let's get started. All right, so very much it's factory sealed, and always, as I recommend you guys all the time, make sure it's factory sealed. It's not open box, it's not refurbished, it's not used. So I'm gonna break the seal and see what is inside this bad boy. All right, here we go. All right. Okay, I got it. All right, so this one it's a DJI Mavic Mini, a combo box. It's on Amazon for about $499 plus taxes and shipping. It's currently free shipping for Prime members, but I'm not sure about the other members. If you don't have a Prime member, that could be an extra charge for shipping. So let's do unboxing here. All right. Okay. All right. So Mavic Mini DJI. All right. Whoa. Such amazing case. That is the carry case. DJI Mavic. Beautiful. All right, I'm gonna keep the case on side, so we're gonna open it after checking the box. Okay, and what is this? All right, let's see here. Oh, nice packaging, by the way. All right, so this is okay. That's the only comes with the box here. All right, so okay, 3-axis gimbal. Okay, so if you would like to use those ones, you can use them. And what else here in the box? Let's see. Okay. All right. Okay. User manual. Always read the manuals. Read the instructions. Each product has different instructions, so it's very much recommended to read the user manual. and power adapter. That's a DJI, as you see here, DJI power adapter. Let's see here. It does work on 100 and 240 volts, 50 or 60 hertz, which is very much can be used with American standard electric or European standard electricity as well. So with the USB port, USB type A, so you can plug it in here. All right, so that is very much this box. And what else here? Okay. All right, this is the last box here. Okay, extra batteries. Beautiful. Let's see. Okay. Here we go. 3 batteries. Beautiful. Comes with the 3 batteries. So this is the combo box. All right, what else here? Nothing here in the box. Okay, so we have 3 batteries. All right, and we have the power adapter and the user manual and the 3-axis gimbal, so you can use them. All right, let's put the box on side here. And let's get started with this bad boy. Such a nice case. It's very much an amazing DJI Mavic Mini. Here we go. The case is amazing. All right, let's see here. Ooh la la la. Look at this. Look at this. Look how beautiful this. It's such a beautiful drone. That is fantastic. That is really fantastic. And also it's not that heavy. So you can carry the case all the time with you. Wow. That's amazing. Okay. Let's see. What is this? Oh, that is such a nice controller, I believe. Let's see. Let's get this one open. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Very beautiful controller. Oh gosh. Wow. Has 2 antennas, and on this side has a USB type C charger, and I don't know what is this, but sounds like it's one of the controller tools. So you can, here's a still picture, so you can take a picture or you can record the video here. So beautiful. That is beautiful. And these are the controllers. Okay. And this is very much not that heavy. It's a very light one and can be used anywhere. That's a good one. That's very much a good one. And all right, this is the GPS location, so you can get the drone back to the original location. So I will have another video after using this drone to get my first impression and my reviews about this one. And I'm 100% it's a great one, because DJI doing such a nice job on drones. All right, so it comes with extra I don't know what is this, but I will check it. I'm sorry, but this is my first drone I have. Basically It comes with some accessories or tools. I'm not 100%, but I will have another video to tell you exactly what is this one. I believe it's oh, okay, these are wings. These are wings. Okay, good. So I figured it out now. These are wings. So these are Axis wings, so you can install them on the drone. Okay, perfect. All right, that is the one. Then let's get this out here. Okay, and this is the battery charger. I am 100% sure. Here we go. Bingo. This is the battery charger. Wow, that's such a nice and amazing one. Okay, great. This is a battery charger. So 3 batteries that you can use and you can charge at the same time. All right. Okay, put this one on side here for now. And what else here? Okay. All right, let's see. All right. Okay. Sounds like some screws and USB Type-C cable and another, oh, a screwdriver, very much a tiny screwdriver that you can use to install the wings and the screws, and then a micro USB. Okay, so the charger, let's see here. All right, so the controller can be charged with a USB Type-C, but the battery charger, it can be charged by micro USB cable, and also has a USB Type-A so that you can charge your controller in case you need to charge at the same time, which is such a great one. All right, so it comes with the USB Type-C, USB, micro USB, some screws, and all right, and cables for iPhone or Android phone. So yeah, USB cables that can be connected with the phone, because with the controller you can control it with your phone, and a screwdriver. Okay, and let's see the bad boy here. Look at this. It is such amazing and very light. Oh my gosh, that's a nice one. Here we go. Let's get a look very close here. All right, here is the camera. That's a 2.7K. And what else here has? Okay, it has I believe, okay, micro USB port and a micro SD card as well. All right, let's get it very close here. Yeah, see micro USB port and micro SD card. And then on this side, just nothing here, and looks amazing. Yeah, so on this side, nothing. Yeah, very much. Okay, so this is just unboxing to DJI Mavic Mini combo that comes with 3-axis gimbal, GPS, and 3 batteries with 3 batteries charger with all the screws and wings and everything. Comes with the case, with such a durable and nice case. It's a really amazing case. I love this one. Yeah, very much. That's only unboxing video, and I will have another video after using this drone. And then feel free, guys, to subscribe to my channel and thumbs up. Put your comments and I will reply to you with your question. And thanks for your time. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Thank you. Bye-bye.